Assalamualaikum. Today our presentation topic is mobile banking, internet banking and a credit card. Now I am discussing about a credit card. It mainly refers that a small plastic card issued by a bank, building society, etc., allowing the holder to purchase goods or services on credit. By the way, most credit cards have a credit limit which represent the maximum balance you can have on the credit card at a point in time. The maximum balances includes purchases, balance transfers, cash advances, finance charges and fees. When you exceed your credit limit, your creditor may charge an over the limit fee or raise your interest rate. Suppose you want to buy something in Amazon.com $1000. If you use your debit card for the payment of $1000, then the money will deduct it from your bank account. That is, your bank account must have $1000 before the payment is made. But if you use your credit card for this payment of $1000, you did not to have $1000 in your bank account. That is, you can buy things $1000 even if you have only $10 in your bank account. So now the question is, how could it happen? The very beginning, you select a product and select credit card as a payment mode. During payments, a bank gives $1000 to reseller from bank cash reservoir and let you buy that product. Now you $1000 back to bank by a monthly installment. Say that $100 every month for the next 10 months. But you have to pay more than $1000 to a bank because bank charges and interest on monthly installments. In short, we can say that credit cards provide instant loans to its users. Now we discuss some advantages of credit card. Credit cards mode online shopping easy. Online pay payment is feasible with credit cards. Payment becomes easy through credit cards. Easy to check all transaction and credit card statement anytime online. Using credit card, you can refill fuel gas in your car. No need to carry cash. Credit card is very useful mode of payment during an emergency. Credit card is safe and easy to carry than carrying cash in pocket. Now we discuss some disadvantages of a credit card. In credit card, there is limit of use. Therefore, it cannot be used more than that. If you are unable to pay through card, it may take extra amount, which using credit card, sometimes hidden cost are these. These days, credit card fraud is common. There are high interest rate which using credit card. On the 24th November, I went to National Bank Limited of Sayyidpur branch. There I can learn about the various features of National Bank's credit card. The National Bank Limited dual credit card available in Visa and MasterCard provides all the basic functions of a regular credit card with the added advantage of special perks, flexible payment option and interest-free days. The interest-free transaction offerings allow you to purchase big tickets item and have it remain guaranteed in interest-free for 15 days. Depending on the chosen partner establishment, you can enjoy interest-free transaction for up to 45 days. But if you find it difficult to wait in long lines just to pay your monthly bills, worry not. This card provides an auto debit payment facility on your credit card. Even better, you can avail of the fund transfer facility and move money to any other account for just a minimal processing fee of 1.5% of the transaction amount. Then I met MD Abu Bakr Siddiq sir, the first executive officer working there. Then I asked him, what steps can I take to get your bank credit card, sir? He was a good man at heart. He gave me all the information on how to get his bank credit card. The supporting documents you will need to, the first one is 2 copies of your passport size photo, copy of your NID, CIB undertaking, copy of your 18 certificate, utility bills for the purpose of your proofing your address, proof of valid ID, bank statement, salary certificate. The must one is to be eligible for a national bank dual credit card. You must be at least 18 years of age and must have a good credit standing. Owning your own NBL credit card comes with a lot of responsibility. For the NBL dual credit card, some of the main charges include low annual membership fee of USD20, low monthly interest rate of 2%, late payment charge of 2% of the minimum dues or USD20, whichever is higher, a cash advance fee of 2% of the amount due or USD3, whichever is higher. Having the right credit card can give you the financial freedom you need. By availing a National Bank Limited credit card, particularly the dual credit card, you will enjoy that financial freedom along with a host of the elite benefits like exclusive discount around the world.